On Till Dawn Setting Spray. Waterproof, mattifying witch hazel for oil, green tea to tighten pores. I did my makeup 7 hours ago. Not a crease, not a shine, nothing moved. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I've been wearing this Ewedoos dress for 3 weeks straight. Bras built in, shorts are built in, pockets in the shorts. I literally don't have to think about anything. Moisture waking too, it's hot out here and I'm fine. One dress, 0 problems. My dentist literally asked what I switched to. This is the Philips Sonicare 4100, 700% better plaque removal than a manual brush. It has a pressure sensor so you actually can't brush too hard. 14 days on one charge, 2 minutes twice a day, and your teeth just feel different. That's it. There's a yoga bra and I genuinely put it on this morning and just didn't take it off. The back is actually so pretty. Like I'm wearing this to yoga and also just sitting here. The fabric feels like nothing. That's the whole thing. Okay, I finally get the hype Armani Luminous Silk in 5.5. Okay. It's crazy lightweight, blurs everything, and still looks like skin. The finish is glowy, not oily. If you want natural perfection, grab it. This is Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 50. It goes on totally clear and weightless, no white cast, no greasy feel. And it doubles as a makeup gripping primer so skin looks smooth and ready. These Mighty Patch Originals are my Save Me patches, 36 in a box. Watch this. I put one on a pimple, go to sleep, and in the morning it looks noticeably flatter, no popping, just hydrocolloid, super gentle. This is the one. I'm obsessed. This is Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner. The fine brush tip makes a super clean wing fast. It glides on smooth, then sets. Quick rub test, no smudge, no transfer. Do my whole eye in 30 seconds with this. One swipe, cream to powder, done. Vitamin C and E in it too, so it's actually good for your skin while you're wearing it. I've had it on since this morning. We've been driving 4 hours. Julep, look it up. Wait, somebody told you I look like I drink SPF for breakfast? I mean, fair. Honestly, it's this, TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. I put it on every single morning and my skin just does the work. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, dark spots are gone, skin's brighter. Been on this for 2 months. People keep asking what I'm doing differently. Okay, so I started using the Biodance Collagen Peptide eye patches and my under eyes are genuinely different. 20 minutes and the puffiness just goes. Korean collagen peptides, no joke. If you travel or just need something that actually works, this is it. I did my whole blowout with this before I left. Shark FlexStyle, one tool. I dried it, curled it, smoothed it. Look at it, desert wind doing nothing. No heat damage, no frizz, just this. I've been sleeping on flights for years with my neck just doing whatever. And then I found this. The Napfun has memory foam that actually holds your head in place. Not just sits there, holds. And this string pulls it snug so it doesn't slide around while you're out. Your neck will genuinely thank you by hour 3. Links below.